So legends, we're on the 3rd floor. Uncle Colot is doing plumbing. Boss Nanti is doing the ascenter. We have the electrical team on the stairwell and more construction for this beam. So loads going on the 3rd floor. Right legends, welcome to vlog 225 on the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. Welcome to another day in my life here in Sapian Capiz, and visiting this dream home building project for a update. First thing you'll see, we have 2 meters of Pino sand that Rio is running through the ayag, filtering the sand for its impurities. Right legends, if you are familiar to the channel and you are a regular viewer of my content, you'll know legends that in the previous vlog to this, in vlog 224, we were pulling through the electrical wiring, and you'll see the wiring there legends. And I can say and report now that more wiring has been pulled through legends, and they're even pulling through the wiring on the staircase. So loads and loads of progress on the electrical side. So these legends will be staircase lights to hopefully light the way through, as well as the landing area. Some more wiring legends has been pulled through. Very neatly, might I add. We're in my room now legends, and this is the CR that is attached to my room, and Uncle Colot, who is in charge of the plumbing for the project, has already started with the plumbing pipes for this CR, this toilet and bath, and it's the strong white PRC type, and you can see it leaving out through the wall where the water supply will join in. Now legends, let's get up to the 3rd floor, and the immediate thing that you'll notice is our layout for the hollow blocks has already started. So you see on the 3rd floor we have some windows accounted for, as well as the wall goes right the way up, covering this room on the 3rd floor. But as well as that, legends, I also can report that Jovin and Jerson are continuing the rendering outside, and they're up here on the 3rd floor. So very dangerous work, legends. We have a bamboo scaffolding platform for them, but they are being very delicate and I don't want them to stress. So just concentrate on the work and concentrate on not hurting yourself. Hello. So Jovin is calling for more mix, which I believe Gibson and Joe Burt are in charge of. Look at our 3 windows, legends. What do you think of this, Dad? The 3 windows here? It's very nice, isn't it? We're letting a lot of natural light. We live at number 3 in the UK, London, legends, and this is what these 3 windows are meant to represent, our number 3. And then the 4 pillars at the front represent myself, my brother, my mum and my dad. So Daddio. Ah, Daddio, a man of few words. And again, legends, you'll see here, legends, we have a supporting beam that will be produced, and that will hold some more hollow blocks, because over here, by request of my brother, we'll put bifolding doors, so it will open up the area to the outside. How's your bird? You'll see Foreman Rocky, Boss Nanti have almost completed this layout here of the CR. This is the CR on this floor, available to everyone. And we have a storage room there, stroke bedroom, depends what will be, but it will be. But initially, it's to house the solar system batteries and cells. Boss Rocky is doing some bamboo work for some supports. But yeah, this is a nice sized toilet, CR. I'm really happy with how this turned out. You can actually see where the windows will go. So this stairwell area, legends, will be full of light, natural light coming in from all angles, as well as we'll have a chandelier hanging from there as well. That's the idea anyway. So platform, and Rocky looks to be making another platform. So again, legends, we'll put hollow blocks along here as well as above here, and then I imagine we'll bullhorse that beam, and that will house the bifolding doors that leads to this balcony area, this large balcony area. We have different mixes here, legends, for the throwing or pilak or rendering, for the hollow blocks on the outside as well as the hollow blocks on the inside. So multiple things going on today, legends. It's another hot sunny day here in the Philippines, legends. Very hot. Team are keeping hydrated, I can assure you of that. So it looks like, legends, they're using the bamboo from the bullhorse of the canopy, or the pouring of concrete on the canopy, as the supports for the new platform. I think they're confident that the canopy is malana. So legends, apprentice Tanoi is making formas for what I believe will be a small beam here. And that will support the glass bifolding doors when we eventually have them installed. Remember, legends, if you have any questions regarding vlog 225 and what you're seeing today, put them in the comment section or direct message me on Facebook Messenger. Please do remember, legends, to subscribe to the Miles Walden YouTube channel. I work extremely hard to deliver you this content. If you are enjoying this vlog and indeed the content that I provide, please do hit that like button, and of course the share if you haven't already, and subscribe button. It just shows me a bit of love and makes this all worthwhile as I build my community and my channel. And if you wish to show me more love, head over to Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, search Miles Walden and give those platforms a follow as well, legends. Whew. So as you can see, legends, we have a wraparound balcony around a meter width. So that'll be fun as well. We can see all the way around. Over there is the plaza of Sapian, which is the community park. So this is Tanway's formas. It looks like he's getting ready to put one side on once the saw is available. And Nunoy Jovin continues to render on the outside of the house. So loads going on, I hope you agree, legends. Loads of progress. I love these three windows. I really do. Look, legends, our good friend Gap has arrived with more hollow blocks. Hannah from the electrical team is putting the layout for the lights on this staircase now, and Christian Baldissimo is chiseling, chucking. And Yan Yan at the bottom there, also chiseling away. And then Uncle Colot is doing some more of the plumbing tubo. So we have electrical, plumbing as well as construction going on the 3rd floor, legends. It's proving to be quite chaotic here on the 3rd floor. And Boss Nanti is laying more hollow blocks down, dividing the CR and this room. Kulang?
Sobra.
Sobra? Okay. Okay, sobra. May problema, kulang. So Tanoy's measurement is a bit over, which I pointed out that it's no problem if it's over, it can just easily be sawed off. It's a problem if it's short, then you got to start again. Grabe ang obra sa 3rd floor. Plumbing, electric, construction. What lugar? We have a round 2, another try. Masih kulang na. Tama? Jobert? Super size? Super meal.
Super meal.
So it's exacto now, legends. See? The right measurement now. legends, we're on the 3rd floor. Uncle Colot is doing plumbing. Boss Nanti is doing the ascenter. We have the electrical team on the stairwell and more construction for this beam. So loads going on the 3rd floor.
May kabilyaw na noy.
Oh, sa sulod. And then that is ready for buhos once this is nailed in. Mabuhos ikaw? Sabong or hindi?
Boss, lang tawag nila boss.
So now the foremast is on. We have a small beam there. Legends, it's buhos time. We're gonna buhos this small beam that we were preparing earlier today. It's ready to be poured with concrete and left to dry for a day or so. So legends, they're beginning the process of removing the foremast from the canopy. Look at the canopy, look how sexy the canopy is, legends. Wow! Wow, grabe imo canopy, foreman. Wow, poor. Pogi mo canapé. Look at that. Well, that marble, Dad. All smooth. That's how it should be. Very nice.
Careful na may mga lagsak na yan.
So we'll continue this in tomorrow's vlog, legends. In the next vlog, I think this deserves its own vlog. I'll show the rest of this and the end product in the next vlog. Right, legends, that's it for vlog 225 on the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed it. You got to see all the departments, plumbing, electrical and construction, all working on the 3rd floor, bumping into each other and all sorts. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. If you're new to this channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And with all this being said, I hope to see you in vlog 226. 226 is next. It's me, myself, and I, Miles Rolden. Thanks for watching.